Come on. Gonna have good days. Yeah. Hey everybody, John Davis here with another update video, and in this video, thank God, I have some positive news for you. So in the last video I talked about work schedule and everything else. 2 videos before that I talked about kind of the administrative issues that I'm having with the website and all that other stuff. Well, I had one thing go right, which opened up a huge opportunity for me in multiple different areas, and that was getting this roof on. So, and what I mean by that is I didn't realize how inefficient and how much workspace I was losing based on the amount of holes and stuff that I had in the roof. I had a few holes. It shut down a small section of my workspace, and right here you can see, as I give you a 360 of what it looks like now, where this camera is directly in the middle of the back quarter of my workshop. So all that space was pretty much unusable. If you look at my old videos, you'll see that it's all blocked off with the planer and my router, and I have a pallet there kind of blocking all the drip pans and everything. But all that space, for the most part, was unusable. In this next video, as it pans around, you'll see this is my miter saw section. Now, this section really didn't have that many drips or leaks because it was the original structure. However, because I was able to improve the back structure and make it waterproof, I was able to move a lot of stuff from this section of the workshop into the back half. And in the final panoramic here, you're going to see this dark area, which is an area that you really haven't seen on the videos before, and that is because it's had the most leaks, which is poor, because that's also my wood storage that you're going to see, or that you see up at the top there. You can also in this shot get a look at the new roof. So with all that being said, the roof is on, it's waterproof, it has greatly improved the efficiency of the back half of my shop. And for that, I have to give a huge shout out to my good buddy Jeff Thompson, who came through for me, got the metal for me in record time. Huge appreciation in that. He's part owners with Miss Barbara of a little shop out near Cleveland, Georgia, called the Batesville General Store. If you haven't had a second to go out there, it's got an awesome vibe. It's such a cool little restaurant and kind of shop. He's improving it and putting a general store. There's veterans that have made hand flies that he sells up there. My pictures are hanging up in their store that are for sale up there. If you haven't had a second to go check it out, you really should. Both their personalities just radiate through that store, and you'll be glad that you went. I'm not just shouting out because he came through for me and hooked me up. I'm shouting out because he's a great guy, and Miss Barbara is a great lady, and they have a great thing going out there, and you'll really enjoy it. They're open pretty much every day of the week, including Sundays. They're just not open on Mondays. So if you're ever out in the Helen, Cleveland area, look up the Batesville General Store in Clarksville, Georgia. Swing by, check it out, have breakfast or lunch. You will not be sorry you did. In lieu of that, caveat onto that, there have been a bunch of people that have reached out to me since I started doing this in the short 2 months that I've started putting these videos out and started building this business, that have been such a godsend. So many great conversations with people. Another one that I haven't been able to link up with yet that I really want to is Jason Bent of Bent's Woodworking. He is also a veteran. He's active duty. He has a YouTube channel. Check it out if you haven't had a second to do so. Really professional stuff. Really awesome carpenter. You won't be sorry that you watched his video. So he's reached out to me, and Jason, as soon as I get a little bit of time, I'm there, buddy. Sorry we haven't been able to link up yet. Other than that, the other updates that I have for you as far as the website, videography, pictures, stuff like that, it's pretty much the same. With opening up all this space that I have in the workshop, I can start up my photography studio again, so that I can clean up my website with better, more professional, standardized pictures of all my products, refine my products a little bit more. I really am not putting anything out there yet because I don't have the time to accommodate the volume that I'm projecting to see once I really launch this. But when I'm out of the military and I have more time, the first thing I'm going to do is sink a little bit of money into proper advertising and paying a professional to build the website. Because That's something that's going to take way too much of my time, and it's not going to look anywhere near as professional. What I also hope to do is put a little bit more effort into my videos. I have a construction series out, as well as I videoed how to do the roof, and kind of went down the rabbit hole on that. I wanted it to be quick. It was a little bit longer than I wanted, but hoping that in a couple years I can have a reputable YouTube channel, and that can be another outlet, along with the construction of my picture frames and outdoor furniture and wood mill. But that's the goal. We'll see how it refines as we go. That's another reason why I'm videoing all this. So that was a huge plus. Everything in the back getting fixed. My infrastructure is really taken off. Here in the next month or so, I plan to get the whole roof done, and then I can really make some improvements with the shop and really be up and running. And I'm just so thankful that I'm there right now, and that I have everybody supporting me in my corner. So other than that, there's really nothing else to report. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I'll keep putting these updates out. God bless, take care, and like my good buddy Bryce Mahoney says, if you're not where you want to be, I hope you make the best of where you are. I had to steal that one from you, Bryce. Take care, guys. Have a good day.